Hello guys, welcome to my channel Trading Chart Patterns. Now I am analyzing this stock HDFC Limited, okay, Housing Development Finance Corporation. If you will watch this stock closely, then you will find out that this stock has actually had a resistance of this level, okay, resistance of this level. It gave a breakdown, it again went up, took this level as resistance and again started to fall. So what has happened to this stock, why it is falling, and what are the levels for investment picks and for intraday? So let's talk about it. If you will watch this stock carefully, then you will find out that if you make this level as a swing low and this level as a swing high, then you will have 2355 as 38% correction for this stock, okay. So if you want to invest in this stock HDFC Limited, then your first investment must be around 2355-40 rupees region, okay. So don't panic around this region, let this level come and you can invest for a long term in this stock, okay. And one more thing, if the stock goes below this level and takes support around 2186, then you should invest your second installment in this stock. And if the stock goes upside and again starts to come down, then you should invest around 2018 rupees as a third investment pick, okay. So are you getting my point? Now what you will do, if you have 10,000 rupees to invest in HDFC Bank, then you will buy two shares around 2350, two shares around 2186, and you will save more money and you will have around 10,000 this time. Then in coming 3 months, if you will have 11 to 12,000, then you can buy more shares of HDFC Bank in 2018 rupees price, okay. So these are the levels. And one more thing, if you will watch this stock carefully, then you will find out that this stock has 200-day moving average around 2325. So you can say that 2325 is also a good buy price for this stock, okay. Just because it is actually a 200-day moving average price, okay, 200-day average price in which you are investing your first installment. And then what's the next rate to invest in HDFC Limited? Go to weekly chart. If the stock comes towards 1965 or around, you can say 2150, then also you can invest in this stock, okay. So these are some sort of an investment pick for this stock HDFC Limited, okay. And what about intraday? So now let's analyze this stock. The stock has actually given such a blast kind of a negative return in coming 3 or 4 days that I can't explain in words, okay. And what is happening with this stock? The stock is continuously hitting this region. See, this region once, twice, thrice. So this support is actually getting weaker and weaker day by day, day by day. So what will happen if the stock goes below this level, okay, below this level tomorrow 2414, then it will start to move towards 2368, 2370 region, okay. And at that level you will also find out that there is 200 days exponential moving average support will be there for this stock, okay. So you can actually start investing around 2350 to 2325 rupees. There would be a first sort of an installment, okay, investment in this stock. So you can invest around 2325 rupees in this stock. It has a high of around 2900 rupees, and you are getting this stock at a discounted price of around say 32%. Am I right? 32%, or yeah, 32% discount price. So you can invest in this stock at this level. It is a very good rate to invest, okay. And what can happen in intraday? The stock may open around this region 246878, okay, 246878, okay, and start to come down, okay. But it will not come down so easily. just because the stock has got oversold. Okay, so it will come down eventually, but not straight. If it goes below this level and gives a opening below today's low, then it will immediately start to come down. Okay, so you should trade this stock accordingly, but be careful. This stock is a very good quality stock. It can be a good buy for long term investment, and you should not short HDFC Limited. Okay, you should not short HDFC Limited just because it is actually a good quality share and we don't know from what level it can bounce back. Okay, so thank you for watching, and if you want to learn from me, then you can contact me through the link in description box. Thank you for watching.